As interest rates have been plummeting, I have gotten the question all over TikTok and Instagram, is this a good time to buy or should I wait? So we're going to answer that question today. I can tell you I have seen the market do a lot of things over the last 9 years. I mean, I have funded hundreds of loans, talked to thousands of people. And to be totally honest, regardless of if the market is at 2.5% or if we are at 8% interest rates, people always have this fear that they're not doing the right thing. And that's completely normal. I don't want to take that away from you. But I'm going to put the question back on you. The question is, am I ready? Am I comfortable with the payment? That's really what you're going to have to answer for yourself. No loan officer is going to be able to say that for you. I can give you some pros and cons on if you should wait or if you should buy. I think by now we all know that we are in a housing crisis. And that crisis is because there's just not enough houses to go around. My thing is, as interest rates come down, there are going to be more people getting into the market. And the people that are getting into the market are not 600 credit score type people. The people that are coming back into the market off the sidelines are people that have 740, 750 FICO scores. They have had a year and a half to save up their money. So they're coming in the market with good credit and lots of money. Well, why is this a concern to you? If you are a person that you know you need some down payment assistance and or closing cost assistance that you're gonna ask for from the seller, waiting might not be your best situation. Because as interest rates go down and more people come into the market, whenever they're going through their different offers, I promise you, it is very unlikely that they are going to pick you. Now, on the other side of things, if you are waiting simply because you're in a scenario where you need that payment to come down because interest rates have been so high, and instead of you being able to get a house for $2,500, the payment has been $3,300, guess what? As the rates come down, more people get into the market. That's going to put pressure on the purchase prices of the house. And so the purchase price is going to go up. And so you might not be as bad off, but to have your fingers crossed that you're going to be able to get that same house for the same purchase price and the rate come down so it can work out in your favor for the payment that you need, it might not work out that way for you. So these are a couple of things that I think that you got to consider when you are waiting or trying to time the market just right to be able to get in and make your offer. One other thing that I think that you all should be keenly aware of is that over the last 9 months or so, new construction has been dominant in a lot of different markets because new construction was offering 2-1 buy downs, $20,000 to go toward your closing costs. They helped buy interest rates down from 8% to 5.5%, all kind of things to make it more attractive. If you think for 1 second that that type of incentive is going to continue and interest rates fall, you are sadly mistaken. What can happen, what has happened in the past, and what will continue to happen in the future, as we enter into a market where there are multiple offer situations, new construction is going to start to look at the people that qualify the best. Meaning, new construction, or builders, write their contracts. I don't know if you all know that. And so you're not signing a standard contract that you would sign if you were purchasing an existing property from somebody who was selling their home. You are signing a contract that is specifically designed for the builder to win, not you. And so in signing that contract, there's almost always a clause that says that they can pull out and cancel your contract at any time that they feel like it for any reason or no reason at all. Now, that's probably not the verbiage, but that is the point. And if you do a simple Google search, I guarantee you will find news stories that talk about this. I want you all to hear me and hear me good. As the market heats up and more people get into the market, they will cancel your contract because they want a higher purchase price. If you went under contract in October, and let's say your home will be available in March, if between now and March, there is a wave of buyers that come into the marketplace and they all qualify because rates are low, they're going to cancel your contract and save themselves that $20,000 that they paid for you to buy the rate down. And they're also going to jack up the purchase price of the house another $20,000. That's $40,000 to their bottom line. If you think that that's not going to happen, you are sadly mistaken. And so I say that to say that's part of the reason why you will see realtors and loan officers say, you better buy now, you better buy now. It isn't propaganda, it's statistics. Okay, so please understand that before you move forward. The biggest takeaway that I want you all to remember is you do not need to try to get into the market any earlier than it takes for you to actually be prepared to get into the market. That means this might not be your year. Don't let social media or a realtor or me or any type of external pressures make you do something that you don't want to do. 93% of the people that purchased a home in 2023 were pissed. They were upset. They felt like that they got a house that they didn't really want and they weren't completely prepared. So the best time to buy a house is when you are ready to buy a house. If I can help you with this in any type of way, please let me know. All my contact information will be below. Y'all can follow me on TikTok for more advice. Also, make sure you like and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.